people already started to return their Apple Vision Pro, and after trying this for a few hours, I completely understand why some people are doing this. The Apple Vision Pro became available on February 2nd. Since then, the people who got it first have been using it for a little bit over 2 weeks. And for a product like this, a little bit over 2 weeks is enough time for you to decide if you actually like it or not. So let's talk about a few of the reasons why people are actually returning the Apple Vision Pro. And if you're new here, my name is Ray, and let's talk about tech. Reason number one, and this one is super obvious for anybody who knows about the Vision Pro, and it's the price. I mean, if you want the 256GB version, which is the base version, we are talking about $3,500. And Apple's no stranger to putting a high price tag on one of their products, but this is a first-gen item. And if we compare this with the Meta Quest 3, which in my opinion is the best VR headset out there right now, the Apple Vision Pro is 7 times the price. The second reason is the weight and comfort. If you hear anybody out there tell you that the Apple Vision Pro is not heavy, is cap. They are lying to you completely. After trying the Apple Vision Pro for a few hours, when I took it off, I felt all that weight come off my face. It was actually a relief. And to be completely honest, the Apple Vision Pro has great build quality, which I think is one of the reasons why it's so heavy. And I know it sounds a little bit weird, but yeah. Now, the band is super high quality, but I don't think it's the most comfortable thing out there. I tried to adjust it to the best of my ability, but it still didn't feel 100% right for me at least. But I know this is only a first-gen product. If we compare this to the Meta Quest, they already have a few out, and they made minor adjustments throughout the way, and I'm pretty sure Apple will do the same, at least with the comfort, hopefully. Reason number 3 is Apple's generous return policy. There is a 15-day return policy, and honestly, Apple's return policy, even if you open the device or use it, you're still able to return it free of charge. And like I said at the beginning of the video, this was available February 2nd, so a lot of people who had the money got this February 2nd or a little bit later, knowing that they have 15 days to try it out, see how it is, walk around in the street with it, or just to make videos. And I'm pretty sure Apple knew from the start that a lot of people will buy it, try it out, get their money back. Maybe that's what they were aiming for, who knows. Reason number 4 is lack of things to do and compatibility with other people that also have an Apple Vision Pro. When it comes to the Meta Quest 3, that device is designed for you to play with other people, jump into different environments with other people. People are able to see what you're doing, and you're able to see what other people are doing. It makes it super sociable, and it makes the experience a lot better, which is the complete opposite when it comes to the Apple Vision Pro. And NKVHD said it best on his latest Apple Vision Pro video. If you have the Apple Vision Pro, you are alone. You are not able to see what other people are doing that have an Apple Vision Pro. They are not able to see what you are doing. You are not able to jump on different environments or play games with anybody who has an Apple Vision Pro. To be completely honest, and this is kind of funny, the only thing you are able to do with other people that have an Apple Vision Pro is FaceTime. That's about it. But hopefully, as developers create more apps for the Apple Vision Pro, a lot of these features become available, and we're able to interact with other people who have an Apple Vision Pro. These are just some of the reasons why people are actually returning the Apple Vision Pro. If you watch all the way towards the end, you're a GOAT. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, because there's videos every week. And if you want to know more about the Apple Vision Pro, drop a comment, and see you next week with another video, or see you this week again. Who knows? Peace out.